Hello, Mario. In this video, I'm going to continue on filling in the plan form. So the next thing that we want to do is to put a north point in here. I always like to draw my own based on a survey style from the 80s, but you may very well want to just download one from the net or choose your own. But anyway, here we go. It's a pretty generic north point. So first of all, C for circle, and I'm just going to put that in there, approximately, maybe, well, that looks pretty good. Let's see what size that's coming out. Diameter, radius 9, so let's go with a radius of 10. Okay, always handy to put that in the middle, so I'm just going to draw a line from there, turn my snaps on. It's easier to construct. So turn my snaps on there like that, goes across there like that. Put that circle there in the middle anyway. There's the middle there. Obviously the lettering there balances it, so we could just drop it down a little bit. Turn on the ortho button and just drop it down a little bit. So we've got sort of halfway there, maybe there, about there. Yeah, that looks pretty good to me. Okay, so that there. Right, and then I've got a little circle in there, so that's 10. I'm probably going to come in a mil, so I'll just go C, enter, 9. Yep, and I want that to be, that particular one there to be a very thin line, so I'm going to go with a line, make that a line weight of 0. Okay, and then I'm going to just offset that 0.025 of a mil, and that'll just give me that little double line effect. Oops, perhaps not. I might go, that diameter there. What have I got for the diameter? Oh, that's the outside one. I want to just get the inside one. It's a bit too close there. 8.975. I'm going to make that 8.75. How's that looking? So there two sort of, yeah, that's sort of the effect that I was after. Now we're going to draw the north point in there. So let's just draw a line here from the center point down that way, just to give us a bit of guidance, and I'll just draw a line from here up here like that. Okay, then right round about the center, I'll just draw these two lines here. Okay, like that there, and then a line here across there like that. Okay, so let's put a little circle in here into there, just to get my point of my circle. Oh, I think something like that should be pretty good, and then I'll draw a line here. A line here that goes to there. Okay, yep, and then another line here. So this is keeping things fairly symmetrical, and then I'll offset this line here. I don't know, 5 mils, 5, enter. So we'll go there. Oh no, that's too much. So we'll go offset, enter, maybe 3 mils, perhaps. I'll go 2 mils, offset, enter, 2, enter. So that'll give us a little circle that's 4 meters, and like that there. And then we'll just draw a line across here, like that, and that will sort of give us our north point. We can delete that circle. I think that line can come out, that one and that one. Delete. Let's do a little bit of trimming, TR. Let's trim that. Let's trim that there. Trim that there. That's all got to come out. That there can come out. That there can come out. These here probably go. These here can be deleted. That there can be deleted. Delete, and that there can be deleted. And oh yeah, I'll probably leave it like that, and then right in the middle of all that, let's just put an N. I probably want to use multi-line text, because single line text doesn't allow us to do a bold, so we'll just put in there a great big N, and that's it done. And then we'll move that around to where we want it. Move like so. Let's turn off the snap, that one anyway, and let's get our little N sort of right there in the middle. Oh, what happened there? Control Z. Now this N here is 2 millimeters high. Let's see if we can get a little bit bigger, maybe 4. Oh, too big. 3. Yeah, and yeah, we want to make sure it's of the bold persuasion. There we go, nice and bold. Okay, so that'll put a nice. Yes, we want to. Yes, we do, sir. Okay, and now we can. Oops. Now we can select that, and we can move it around a little, just get a nice position. Essentially, might just turn that object snap and that object snap off there, so that gives us the freedom to put it sort of wherever we want. So possibly about there, maybe. That's all. Okay, so there's our north point there. I might just because I feel like it, just make these here a slightly for a line weight, maybe make them just a little bit 0.2, 0.25. Okay, so there we have nice little something north point there. All right, drawn by. Okay, text. I'll just go the single line there. Maybe put that in there. Mario, M-A-U-R. Yes, Mario is only ever spelt with a lowercase, no capitals. It's just my thing. Okay, Mario, it's me. I've drawn this. Checked by. Okay, next one, floor plan. So let's put a floor plan. So for text, for that, you probably want multi-line text because you want to get it nice and bold. Pretty simple. Floor. Oh, caps. Floor plan. FL. Floor plan. Okay. So yeah. We want that to be maybe 4.5 perhaps. Oops, not 0.45. Paper text height 4.5. That's a bit better. We also want it to be bold, so drop it in there. like that. Hit the bold key, yep, and then we can just move it to where we feel it looks good. So this is our floor plan. Okay. Now the graphic scale, yeah, I might just leave that, just complete the letters, and I might just, yes, I think I'll just go and do that as part of another vehicle. The LACS number for this plan, I'm reliably informed, is text. I'll probably go with multi-line text. Here is L04 apparently. L04. Okay, let's put that in there. Probably want that. Oh, as far as the height goes, maybe just sort of height generally determines importance. Perhaps we could go. Well, that looks like I've got a 4 millimeter high there, and once again, put it in here. Put it in the middle, or if you've got a better place for it, yeah, L04, I'll just stick that in there. Okay, alright. Date, I'm going to put today's date in there, text, single line possibly for the date. I just want to keep it there, let's keep it ortho, and today is the 26th of February. 26th of February 2016. Okay, so you would obviously put the date wherever you are. So let's move that around a bit. Yeah, just put it in there. 26th of February 2016. Oops. Obviously, don't know what happened there. Delete that one. 26th of February 2016. Now, I just probably want to use the same text as there, so I'm just going to go CP that. Probably turn on my snaps here and just relate it to there so that I can put one in there, one in there. Align things right. So the scale, now I'm just checking down the bottom here in paper space. I think if we went to, remember we're in paper space here, if we went to model space, we'll see that we've made it at 1 to 50. So that's the scale of our drawing, 1 to 50 at the A2 scale. So don't forget to go back to paper space when you're working here, and we'll just go in there 1 to 50. Okay. And the sheet number is 1 of 2. So I think 1 of, I'll just have that in lowercase just to sort of de-emphasize it a little bit. 2, like that there. Okay, now going in there like so. I think I have got those, by the look of it there, as maybe 5, certainly 5 or 6 mils high. So I might go with a 5 mil there, just to put a bit more emphasis on them, because obviously the scale is quite important from a plan point of view. So you know, turn these snaps off. Okay, put the 50 there. This here needs to just be made a little bit bigger and moved so it's sort of in line with things. 1 of 2. Okay, alright. I keep doing that, copying rather than moving, but right, 1 of 2 and L004. We could move that possibly just sort of there like that. Okay, so that leaves the only thing to do on this plan here. Well, 2 things really. One is the graphic scale to sort out the graphic scale for the plan, and the second thing is to actually check the plan, which we'll possibly do as a later video in the series once all of the other plans are drawn. So yeah, my north point might be slightly different to ones I've done before, but you just then once it's done, it can be copied and pasted. So what's going on here now? Let's just escape out of here, perhaps peel back just to have a good look at our plan, or we could just to get it to fit in there, just go Z for zoom and E for extents, and that fits it all nicely in the viewing area there. And there's our plan all coming together. All we need to do now is to sort out a graphic scale and then go through some sort of QA and checking process to make sure that we get a nice, good, clean plan that everybody can read and that is very accurate. Cheers! See you.